Continue with statistic chapter 14C, question number 11. Here we have to calculate the median. If you look at the class interval, again here they are discontinuous, so we have to make it continuous. And at the same time here they say 60 and above. So how to increase this 60 and above? We check from here the difference. 19 minus 15 we get 4. 24 minus 24. So everywhere if we minus we get 4. So that means here also we have to increase by 4. That means here we can write 60 plus 4. It will be 60 up to 64. So before we calculate the median, we have to make it continuous. So you see the difference between 19 and 20 is 1. So 1 divided by 2, 0.5. So that means we have to add 0.5 to upper limit minus 0.5 from lower limit. So to make it continuous, remember we have to do that, okay? So 15.0 minus 0.5. Borrow from here 1, so 10 minus 5, 5. It will become 4. So instead of 15 now, we will write 14.5. Then 19.0 upper limit, we add 0.5. So 591. So in place of 19, we have to write 19.5. We'll check for 20 is a lower limit. We have to minus 0.5. So borrow from here, then become 9. Okay, 19. Then 24, if we plus, we get 24.5. So you see here, 15 become 14.5, then 19 become 19.5, then 20 become 19.5. So in that way, that means the upper limit here become the lower limit here. And the upper limit all remain same. We only have to add 5.5.5, okay? Then here, it's don't write above anymore. We have to write 64.5. So in order to calculate the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency. So let's do that. So after writing properly the class interval, okay, those instead of 15 we write 14.5, then 19, then this upper limit here become lower limit, then all the upper limit increase by 0.5, then the lower limit we will take from that, okay, upper limit here, lower limit here, upper limit here, lower limit here, all those. Then now we will find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency for the first one, it remains 53. Then 53 plus 140. What you get from that? Plus with 98. Okay. Then what we get? Plus with 32. What you get? Plus with 12. What you get? Plus with 9. As we go down, keep on adding. We plus with 5, we plus with 3, we plus with 9, we plus with 2. So here we get at the end 357. Here also 357. Answer matching mean correct. So now we have to find the median class. So we take the total frequency, we divide by 2. Here we have odd number, so we have to produce decimal. So now to get the median class, we will see 178 in 0.5 in which class interval it will be. We have to check from the, because it's the frequency, we have to check from the cumulative frequency. Remember, we have to take greater than 178. 53 is less, then greater than 178 is 193. So this will be the median class. Lower limit will be 19.5. H will be 24.5 minus 19.5. Then F will be 140. C will be before the median class, so it will be 53. Then now we can replace it in the formula. Median we still have to find. L we get. N by 2 already divide, so we can replace directly 178.5 minus 53 by 140, which is F. H is 5. So here we can cancel. Then this 2 we can minus. So 53 has no decimal. We can minus with 178. Decimal remain. Then now we divide. After we divide, because we will not get perfect one, we can take at least 2 number after decimal. Then here we have plus, so we have to be careful when we add, because here we have 2 number after decimal, here we have 1, so we have to arrange properly. Then the final answer is 23.98. And because on the beginning here we have years, so the unit also we have to write years. Okay, then we will continue with question number 12. Here you see they give us less than, then we have to calculate the median. So we have to convert it to proper class interval. Less than 10, that means there are some more number before 10. How to convert it to proper class interval? Check the class size. 30 minus 10, 20. 50 minus 30, we have 20. So everywhere the difference is 20. So that means here we have to take 20 numbers before 10. Okay, so those. So because they say less than 10, so there are some more number before 10. So that means 10 minus 20. Remember, because we have from where I get 50, the class size here, 30 minus 10, 50 minus 30, all we get 20. So we have to minus here. So 10 minus 20, it will be 10. Then 20 is greater, we have minus. So for the first one, we have to arrange minus 10 to 10. Then for the next one, it will come 10 to 30. Then like that will come 50 to 20, 70 to 90, 90 to 110, 110 to 130, 130 to 150. Then for the number of students, for the first one, it will remain, for the first class interval, it will remain same. Okay, it will become 0. But for the second one, the frequency will not be the same. Okay, you have to do 10 minus 0. For the next one, 25 minus 10. For the next one, 43 minus 25. Then 65 minus 43. Then 87 minus 65. Then 96 minus 87. You have to minus from bottom up to up. Okay. Then 100 minus 96. So after you do that, then you can calculate the median. So after we minus, now we get, okay, the frequency are 0, 10, 15. Then now we can proceed as before. We will get the cumulative frequency in order to find the median. So we'll do it quickly. 0 remains 0, 0 plus 10. Then 10 plus 15, we get 25 plus 18, 43 plus 22, we get 65 plus 22 again, 87 plus 9 again, then 96 plus 400. Here you get 100, here you get 100. So quickly find the median class. The total we have 100 divided by 250. So look from the median class, greater than 50, we have 65. So the lower limit is 70, H is 90 minus 20 equal to 20, F is 22, then C we have to take before, median class it will be 43. So quickly replace in the formula, L we know 70, and by 2 we get 50 minus 43 by 20 by 22. Here you can cancel with 2, then 50 minus 43 we get 7. So 7 into 10 divide by 11. We can take 2 number after decimal. Then after that we can plus, but we have to be careful because of the decimal point. Okay, so the final answer is 76.36. Here there is no unit, so no need to write. So please remember that when there is less than, we have to produce something from before. Okay, and with that mean how to get, we can get from the class size here. And remember, the frequency will not be the same. We have to change it. We have to do second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, like that. Okay, we minus the consecutive, but we take from bottom minus the upper one.